In 2010, Mill Creek Life Sciences was officially incorporated and began production.
We make a media supplement to grow stem cells for use in the regenerative medicine market.
Brand Food officially opened for business in January 2012 after founder Nate Nordstrom decided to leave his current job.
And at the time, we had just found out that my wife was pregnant, and we had no insurance, and she wasn't working either. So it seemed like a really bad time to quit, but we knew it was the right thing to do.
Emanis Life Sciences was formed nearly 3 years ago with the mission to facilitate the widespread adoption and routine use of non-invasive imaging technologies in biomedical research.
We thought long and hard about a tracking gene, a reporter system, rather like the GPS system for your cell phones with global positioning systems for cells and viruses.
Wade Beavers and his partners started DoApp Incorporated in March of 2008 and applied to become a certified Apple developer. Mobile was brand new at the time, and Apple was only accepting 500 apps for their first store.
So we thought we weren't going to get anything, and lo and behold, I think the last week of May, we got notified that we had 3 of the first 500.
Transfuse Solutions was founded in December 2013 after Aerith retired from Mayo, where he had developed a similar program.
I would get a request about once every month from somebody outside the institution asking me to come out and provide a program similar to that which we developed at Mayo.
Liquid Cooled Solutions actually started out as hardcore computing here in Rochester in 2006.
2 years ago, Zion and his team changed the direction of the company to better reflect their licensed cooling technology.
We cool by using a dielectric fluid, which is a non-conducting liquid.
And in 2013, the company was ready to launch Smart Agent, moving clients from a paper-based solution to a technology-based solution.
Well, what Smart Agent really does is it takes a lot of different information from lots of disparate sources, puts it into one place.
Founder Al Burning started Ambient Clinical Analytics in 2013 with the aid of his Chief Technology Officer and Vice President of Software Development. The trio began fine-tuning healthcare software products for market.
The technologies we have were developed within Mayo Clinic and used as internal tools before we licensed them. So one of the benefits we have as a startup is that these have actually been proven, they've been qualified, they've been in production for some time.
Like so many entrepreneurs, what started out as an idea in late 2013 became a business venture for founder and CEO Mike Rowley of GoRoute.
It's a wearable technology device that players wear on the field during practice and workouts. With the touch of a button, a player can see his responsibility in full digital animation on his wrist, get on the ball and run the next rep.
After 15 years of experience in the home infusion business, Jocelyn Raimundo realized the lack of services in southern Minnesota.
I founded Rochester Home Infusion in 2013, and we have been serving patients for the last year and a half.
In 2004, Tracy and Hunter Downs created Area 10 Labs, focusing on research and developing new technologies that fuse human physiology, sensors, intelligent algorithms, and communications.
Area 10 is an area of the brain that's a cellular level area of the brain that's in the front here, and it lights up whenever you see anything that looks cool.
Resoundent began in 2008 with the invention of a technology invented at the Mayo Clinic that helps detect liver fibrosis through a non-invasive process.
We put mechanical waves into tissue, into the body. We image them with a special MRI technique, and then we have to apply a mathematical algorithm.
An avid outdoorsman, Tim Marshall will tell you he never started out with the intention of building a business.
I started selling gear just to keep making gear.
In 2006, he started creating ultralight camping gear out of his home in Winona that was lighter and more functional than anything on the market at the time.
The gear matters, the things you carry matter, how much weight is on your pack, how effective your equipment is, it all matters.
All-natural goo packets were the first in Lick's product lines.
Because they're single-use and hot-filled, they don't have to have any preservatives and they have a really long shelf life.
The company worked hard to match science with ease of use and developed their next product, gummies. Sonix Health was created to provide a simpler, non-invasive solution to treat carpal tunnel syndrome, which affects 12 million people and results in 500,000 surgeries annually.
Well, it's a very prevalent problem. Most of us know somebody in our family or friends that have had carpal tunnel syndrome.
So we made the first prototype in my garage, so Dr. Smith and I.
EnviroLastTech is founded on technology that utilizes stuff that would get landfilled.
In order to manage growth, the company is focusing on 3 products: bricks, deckboards, and pallets.
The pallet product is, I think, going to be the first really big product for us because of our ability to create a pallet that will survive freezer temperatures and is sterilizable.
The future for EnviroLastTech is clean and green.